Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make homemade bird feed in a mason jar lid. So grab your materials and let's get started. Start with using 2 packs of unflavored gelatin, then add a 1/4 cup of cool water and mix thoroughly. Next, you want to take some boiling water and add 2/3 of a cup to your mixture and then stir it in well. You want to pour your mixture into 4 cups of birdseed and then stir that until all the birdseed is fully coated. Then you're ready to fill your molds. Now you want to use a piece of twine and go ahead and tie a knot around the lid so you have something to hang it from and place it on a piece of parchment paper. Next, you just want to take some of your birdseed and you want to pour it into the lid, pressing down firmly until it's completely full. Once you have it pressed down nice and tight, you just want to move it to the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. And there you have it, homemade bird feed in a mason jar lid. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.